I mean, that's the one bottom line that I want to say. Like, w- like wars, many wars right at this moment are going on. AI has nothing to do with it. It is all done without AI. Lot of people have died, and nobody cares. And actually, normal people maybe care, but at higher level, they are ready to kill people. That's, I think, we all have seen in last 5 years from various parts of the world. So saying that somehow the governments in the world will take threat by AI seriously, it's joke to me. You know, it's somewhat, like, I don't buy this argument at all, especially what has happened in last 5 years around the globe. I don't buy this that if you send this to the government and the government will take actions. This is the first thing. Now, yes, in one case they might take action is when they are about to lose elections, but that only in democratic countries. And it's not, the major part of the world is not even democratic. So I, and even, democracy is also like being weird these days. In last 5 years, we have seen that the leaders are not doing what they said before getting elected. So they will take some action on this. Is I don't buy this argument at all. Or they want to take actions on this seriously that will favor everybody across borders. I don't buy it somehow. I'm not able to buy that argument. But let's see, like, for example, in the first paragraph, and also, like, I want to say this also. It's like, I think AI has overpromised in terms of AGI. Like, we have been hearing that there will be AGI by 2025, some say by at the end of 2026. I don't see it coming. I don't see it coming. Now, apparently, like, they're expecting government to do anything, and they're expecting government to have a global framework to do something. And we all know that, we all have heard about the organizations like UN, for example, and they are not able to prevent even a single war. Like, any country with sufficient weapons go and do whatever they want to do. We have seen that. So if the UN cannot prevent wars, how this organization will prevent the harmful effects of the AI? And at this point, this organization is hypothetical. No such thing exists right now. So I want to say that AI could soon, this statement that AI could soon far surpass human capabilities and escalate risks such as engineered pandemics, widespread disinformation, large scale manipulations of individuals, including children. I want to ask, I want to question that, what is social media? What is Instagram Reels if it's not manipulation of individuals? Are these algorithms are not already manipulating masses? We have to ask the existing technology, what existing technology is doing. This new technology will do it even more of that. I think that's where we are at right now. And existing technology, like a machine learning algorithm behind these Instagrams or Facebook or TikTok systems, are already manipulating. They don't have, maybe they are not trying it manipulating, but the way these algorithm works are manipulating, individuals, a lot of people, lot of people believe in things now that are just imagination of their minds. So like now let's see this, like for example, national and I think yes, AI, like for example, we can make deep fake videos. Again, very problematic on the sec and human right violations. So I want to say that are we able to stop human right violations that doesn't involve AI? Answer is no. In most part of the world, no. Human right violations are going on right now as I make this video, and that has nothing to do with AI. So AI can escalate this. Yes, maybe no, but probably yes. So it should not happen. The worry is valid, but as a human being on this planet Earth, I want to say that it has been happening without AI as well. So that's the point. Like, okay, let's see the second paragraph. Some advanced AI system, okay, deceptive and harmful behavior. Yes, if you can make a video of anyone saying anything that is deceptive, I guess. And yet these systems are being given more autonomy to take action and make decisions in the world. I am not so sure about it. I don't see that these systems are giving ability to take actions. What I see is, I'm sorry, excuse me. What I see is, yes, the humans are using these systems to, spread fake news or to spread or to be deceptive. But humans are basically going and doing that thing, prompting, these AI model to do bad things for them. Left unchecked, many experts, including those at forefront of development, warn that it will become increasingly okay. So I want to say that from my experience, these organizations want efficiency. So to implement these security systems is a lot of work. It requires a lot of people. It will require a lot of developers, and some of that stuff they are doing it, but it is very costly to implement these checks, so they don't want to do it. They want to move fast without regulations, and even if they want a regulation, that is just for the namesake, so the another player cannot enter the race. So these individuals who are operating at the higher level, they want efficiency. They want to move fast and fast when they are executing these projects. So I don't think so that they are going to do anything about it. For example, I am pretty sure that they don't even delete our data once, you, for example, you deactivated your account on social media. I am not sure whether that data gets deleted or not. For that, the governments have to make a rule so that you have to do it. Otherwise, there will be a punishment, and then they do it. So we can't, for example, in this third paragraph, they are talking about voluntary corporate commitments. I think no such thing, okay, no such thing exists. There is no such thing as voluntarily corporate commitments. This doesn't exist. This is not a true thing. So we should not even, uh, what can I say? We should not even be talking about this because this doesn't exist. We urge governments to reach an international and governments must act decisively. I and window for meaningful intervention closes. What does it even mean? Window for meaningful intervention closes. What are they referring to? Is it like the AI sort of going to become, uh, the only thing I am worried about, uh, that some humans sit together and they do some manipulations at a mass scale, or all these, some human does this engineered pandemic, or do widespread disinformation. Some human does it, and yes, they've used AI for something, and then they go and then they blame it on AI. And that's what I'm worried about. That someone does this, this can definitely happen. Engineered pandemic can happen. Someone did that, and then, well, they blame it on AI. This is what I'm worried about, more than AI itself causing these issues. So I don't know about, I think there are bad humans all over the world, and they will use this technology, not, it's not about that, uh, just to implement their ideas. Just like you implement a good idea, you can use this thing to implement a bad idea.